John is a product manager at Triodos Bank, a European investment bank with its headquarters in the Netherlands. Triodos primarily invests in sustainable, ecologically sound projects. John knows the direct competitors of Triodos, but he wants to expand his knowledge. On an international scale, he likes to find out what's happening in the banking sector, and if competitors exist, he does not yet know. Furthermore, he wants to know which journalists he can approach about Triodos' projects. In addition, John wants to discover which technologies are top priority when it comes to sustainable banking. John uses BuzzCovery to perform a quick international media analysis. John starts out with a very broad search. He uses the search term banking for this purpose. He chooses 5 languages, namely English, Dutch, French, German, and Spanish. He chooses the international search option. This way, he can search all languages, but only use the English keyword to get international results. John asks for search results in the last 90 days. This search returns way over 100,000 results. To limit his search results, John chooses the branch codes filter, more specifically, K641, monetary intermediation. He is now left with very specific search results. John still has a few tens of thousands of results. Still too much for a good analysis. John continues working on his selection since he is specifically interested in sustainability. He wants to keep only those articles that are specifically about ecology. He chooses a subject domains filter, more specifically, ecology. He sees before selecting how many items he'll be left with. From these publications, John already sees a few striking names in the WHO organization's word cloud, HSBC, and Zacks Investment Research. He can just click on each name to find the corresponding publications. This will guide his research later in time. Right now, John wants a list of journalists to approach for a publication about Triodos. He goes to the top authors section. This way he finds the names of people who have written most about the subject, the number of publications, and their reach. To look at this list offline, he can choose from a graphical download or an export to Excel. In the What Technology word cloud, John discovers something he finds interesting. Robotics, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology play a role in this period when it comes to green banking. By clicking the robotics label, John sees the items that belong to this label. He sees that a major bank, HSBC, is heavily investing in high-tech in China. Robotics as technology apparently is good for the environment, and in China there are many opportunities. Look at what John has discovered in as little as 15 minutes using BuzzCovery. He knows what data to explore further and whom to reach out to. Do you want to know what's happening in your world? What's been published on the internet about topics relevant to your organization and your clients? Create your free trial account today at buzzcovery.com and understand the world in which you live.